Your customers have dozens of options just a click away. So why should they choose you? Today I'm going to show you exactly how to make your business impossible to ignore and why saying we offer a great service just isn't cutting it anymore. If we haven't met before, I'm Brandon Hurst and I set up online systems to help businesses get more customers and increase their profits. Today we're tackling perhaps the most important question any business owner needs to answer. What makes you different? Unless you're selling something that literally no one else on the earth offers, which is incredibly rare, your ideal customers have to make a choice between you and your competitors. So, how do you make sure they choose you? Let's dive in. When I ask business owners what makes them different, the most common answer I hear is, we provide the best customer service. While it sounds good, it's unfortunately about as generic as it gets. Almost every business claims to offer great service. It's like saying your restaurant serves food or your store sells products. It's expected. But don't get me wrong, exceptional service is important. Customers will absolutely walk away after poor experiences, and they should. But the key here is that your service needs to be genuinely exceptional, not just good and not even just great. Another thing that business owners are always doing is competing on price. As you look around, you'll see lowest price and best price claims everywhere. But is this really the best strategy? The thing is that competing on price alone is a race to the bottom. The lower your prices go, the smaller your margins. And what's worse, sometimes being the cheapest in your market can actually hurt you. That's because customers might assume that your product or service is lower quality. People are willing to pay for more quality. Think about it. You probably already have products that you happily pay premium prices for because you know they're worth it. So, if generic service claims and competing on price isn't the answer, then what is? I'm going to break down 7 proven strategies that can make your business stand out in the crowd and create lasting customer loyalty. Number 1, deliver truly exceptional customer service. I know I just said claiming great service is generic, but there's a massive difference between claiming great service and actually providing an experience that your customers can't find anywhere else. What does exceptional service actually look like? It means going above and beyond consistently, not just when it's convenient. It means surprising your customers with unexpected touches that make them feel valued. For example, I know a local coffee shop that remembers not just their regular customer names, but their usual orders. They've been known to send handwritten birthday cards to loyal customers. That's exceptional service that creates stories that customers tell others. The key is to define exactly what exceptional service means to your business, then execute it consistently every day. Number 2, practice radical honesty. This one is powerful because not many businesses do it very well. And that's being brutally honest with your customers, even when it's uncomfortable. Admit mistakes quickly. Be transparent about pricing, processes, and policies. For instance, if your product isn't the right fit for the potential customer, tell them and recommend a competitor who might serve them better. It seems counterintuitive, but that level of honesty creates such a deep trust that those same people will often refer others to you, even if they don't become customers themselves. Trust isn't just a nice to have thing, it's directly tied to your bottom line. When you make a mistake, and we all do, just own it immediately. Your customers will appreciate your honesty far more than any excuse you could offer. Number 3, create distinctive, memorable branding. You only have a few seconds to make an impression. Make sure your branding stands out and speaks directly to your target audience. This isn't just about having a nice logo, it's about creating a consistent visual and messaging identity that instantly communicates your values and personality. Your branding should tell customers what you stand for before you even say a word. I hope you notice that I said distinctive branding, not necessarily the most beautiful or expensive. The key is that it's memorable and authentically represents who you are as a business. Think about brands who you instantly recognize. What makes them stick out in your mind? How can you create the same recognition for your business? Number 4, dominate your online presence. When customers search for solutions you provide, you need to be front and center. This means having a website that not only looks professional, but provides real value to visitors. It means being active on social platforms where your customers spend time. If potential customers can't find you online, they're going to click on a competitor instead. Customers expect consistent experiences, whether on your website, social media, or talking to you in person. Make sure all of these touchpoints reflect the same values and messaging. What specific expertise or insights can you share online to showcase your knowledge while providing genuine value? This type of content helps you establish you as an authority and makes you stand out from your competitors who are just selling. Number 5, create a loyalty program that actually works. Reward your loyal customers for sticking with you. But don't just copy what everyone else is doing. Create a program that reflects to your unique brand and offer genuine value. The most effective loyalty programs don't just offer discounts. They create experiences and benefits that customers can't get anywhere else. For example, early access to new products, exclusive events, or personalized recommendations. Think about it. Which loyalty programs do you actually use? What makes them valuable to you? And apply those insights to your own program. Number 6, offer meaningful guarantees. Stand behind your products or services with guarantees that actually mean something to your customers. This reduces perceived risk in choosing you over the competitors. Don't just offer the standard satisfaction guarantee that everyone claims. Get specific about what your customers can expect and what happens if those expectations aren't met. For an example, if you sell physical products, you might offer a lifetime warranty instead of just the industry standard of a 1-year warranty. By offering guarantees that your customers don't, you signal confidence in your work that make your customers' decision a lot easier. The key to this is that your guarantee just needs to address the real concern that your customers have. Number 7, align with purpose beyond profit. Support initiatives that align with your values and resonate with your customers. This could be local community involvement or global initiatives. More and more customers are choosing to support businesses that share their values. They want to feel good about where they spend their money. This isn't just a nice thing to do. It's becoming a business necessity. The key here is to be authentic with it. Don't just jump on whatever cause is trending. Choose something that generally connects to your business and values. Then commit to it consistently. For example, an outdoor clothing company might commit to cleaning up hiking trails. Or a restaurant might focus on reducing food waste and supporting local farmers. Just keep in mind that your customers can spot crap from a mile away. Make sure your purpose is something that you and your team genuinely care about. Now that we've covered 7 powerful ways to stand out, let's talk about how to actually implement these in your business. Start by honestly evaluating where you stand right now. Ask yourself, what do you currently tell customers that makes us different? Is this truly distinctive, or are your competitors saying the same things? What do our best customers say they value about our business? What common complaints or issues do our customers experience? And don't just guess at these answers. Talk to your customers directly or send out a survey. Their perception of what makes you different might surprise you. While you might implement several of the strategies we discussed, focus on 2 to 3 that you can truly excel at that aligns with your brand values. Remember, trying to be everything to everyone usually results in standing out to no one. It's better to be known for doing a few things exceptionally well rather than a bunch of things okay. Choose things that play to your existing strengths, address actual customer pain points, are difficult for your competitors to copy, and you can sustain consistently over time. Don't leave the things that make you stand out as vague concepts. Define exactly what they look like in practice and how you'll measure success. For example, if it is exceptional customer service, specify what that means. Response times under 1 hour during business hours, personalized follow-ups after every purchase, or making your staff empowered to resolve issues without a manager approval. The more specific you are, the easier it will be to train your team and consistently deliver on your promises. Once you've defined what makes you different, make sure your customers know about it. Weave them into your website and social media, sales conversations, marketing materials, employee training, and customer onboarding. Remember, it's not just enough to be different. You need to make sure that your customers understand and value those differences. The most successful strategies are going to become part of your brand story. They should be evident in every customer interaction, not just mentioned occasionally in your marketing materials. Remember, in a world where customers have endless options, being different isn't just a nice to have. It's essential for your survival. The businesses that thrive aren't necessarily the biggest or cheapest. They're the ones that create experiences and value that their competitors simply can't match. So let me ask you this. What will your customers say that makes you different a year from now? Start implementing the strategies today, and I guarantee they'll have an impressive answer.